Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Indicom is probing the fatal shooting of a man by the police this afternoon during a reported standoff in Kitson Town, St. Catherine. The man was fatally shot after he allegedly cut his wife's throat during a domestic dispute at their home in Bendon District. In this video being circulated, gunshots were heard inside the house. Reports are that when the police arrived around 11:30 a.m., they saw a woman with a wound to her throat and upper body. Her partner, who was armed with a knife, was shot when he attacked the police. He was later pronounced dead at hospital, while the injured woman has been hospitalized. Head of Indicom, Hugh Faulkner, told our news center his team is collecting information.
The scene is being processed for ballistic material, biological and chemical exhibits. The firearm of the concerned officer is to be processed and boxed for submission to the forensic lab for testing. Notices have been prepared to serve on the JCF personnel to attend the offices of Indicom to be interviewed regarding the incident.
There are